politicians are possibly playing a trick on people, pretending that they are taking action when they really aren't.
This is why it's so important that parents with their children step up and be very visible.
If we don't reduce our carbon emissions now, a child born today will see global warming of 4 degrees Celsius, which could have catastrophic effects on our public health.
People who benefited most from fossil fuels that are causing climate change are not the same people who are bearing the costs of climate change.
Protecting parks and wild spaces is one of the most important things we can do for people and the planet right now because it has what we call co-benefits.
We are moving through a fast transition economically, and even those who want to drag their feet and be skeptics, I think the marketplace is going to talk to them.
I would say that the environmental crisis is also a crisis of hope, and that's why we need to be so focused on evidence-based solutions and amplify them in the directions we need to be going.